episode of Clarissa Cooks It All. And today we're going to make some of this delicious Tizana. It's all fresh fruit in there and some orange and some mango juice. So let's get started. This is one of my favorite summer treats.
Okay, today we're going to be making some Venezuelan Tizana. And for this we're going to need watermelon, grape, pineapple. We're also going to need some strawberries, some oranges, kiwis, and I have a 1 gallon pitcher here that we're going to use. And then we'll also be using orange juice, mango juice, and some grenadine. We're going to start by chopping up all of our fruits and cutting these all up and putting them in our pitcher first. And then we'll add our liquid into it after that. This is one of my absolute favorite summer drinks. It's so refreshing, and the fact that there's fresh fruit all cut up in it, it's a great go-to to take with us when we go to the beach and that kind of stuff. The kids really love it. They eat a lot of it during the summertime. Like I said, it's all fresh fruit and juice. It's one of my favorites. Hope you guys all enjoy this video. Now that we got our fruit all cut up and all put into our pitcher, we're going to go ahead and we're going to fill this about halfway with orange juice, and then the other half we're going to fill with the mango juice. And then we're going to do about a 1/4 cup of the grenadine. You can add a little bit more if you would like for taste. Once you try it, you may want to add a little bit more, but I usually start with a 1/4 cup. You can always add more, but you can never take it back out. So I hope y'all enjoyed.